Hey Sachi, how's it going, my loves? So this is Monica back from Into the Soul 78. I want to first thank everybody for being a part of the channel. Um, let's go ahead and get started. What I'm going to do first is go down the zodiac, see how your person is feeling, and then we'll get into some messages from some oracle cards and then the tarot. We're going to do a side-by-side for you and your person. What's the lesson? How are you guys truly feeling about the relationship? What the advice is from the romance angels. We'll do some tarot and then follow up with some affirmations, okay? So for my Sagittarius, please, Spirit. So Sagittarius dealing with an Aries. So Aries wants to start a brand new cycle with you. Okay, we got the World card coming out. Or they feel like there's a cycle ending and a brand new beginning. Those of you dealing with Taurus, Taurus is having a brand new perspective. They're letting go. I feel like they're letting go of control, though, not the relationship. Okay. Those of you dealing with the Gemini, Gemini is wanting to talk to you. They want to collaborate with you, work with you. They have some kind of talk about a solid foundation. Alright, those of you dealing with the Cancer, with the 5 wands in reverse, Cancer doesn't want to have any kind of drama in their life. They're trying to pull out of that, get away from that. Those of you dealing with the Leo, Leo is going to be more open to you. There's some things that they want to open up about with you. Those of you dealing with the Virgo, we got the World card here. So, which one was the other one? The Will. Okay. We have the World. So, I feel like you mean everything to your Virgo. Yeah, you mean the world to them. They want, this is a continual thing for them. This is something that's going to be like for eternity for you guys in your Virgo. Okay, those of you guys dealing with the Libra. Libra's facing temptation right now. They're feeling confused because they don't know what to do. Okay, those of you guys dealing with a Scorpio, Sagittarius and Scorpio. Scorpio's having a lot of regrets about the past. There's a lot of things that need to be healed. They're too focused on the past and what has been. Okay, Saggy dealing with another Saggy. You guys got the 10 of Cups. Happily ever after. Saggy dealing with a Cappy, Capricorn. So Temperance is here. They want balance. They want things to be even. Those using with an Aqua, Aquarius. Ooh, they're fired up and really into this relationship and where it can go. Those using with the Pisces. Pisces wants a break or they want an end in the relationship. Okay, my loves. Alright. Let's go and put those up. Let's go and get into the energies now and see what Spirit has to say. So the lesson for Sagittarius' person, or the person in their mind tonight, the lesson for your person, Saggy, they got the card Surrender. I can release my need to control. So, Sagittarius, that's your person. They need to learn to surrender. That's their current lesson, okay? Alright, and for Sagittarius, please. You guys got honesty. I can't always expect the truth from others, but I can expect it from myself. So being real with yourself as well as being real with other people. How does Sagittarius' person truly feel about Sagittarius or about the relationship? How do they truly feel? Your person got self-indulgence, focus on self, self-worth, time to heal, shadow work, self-appreciation. So your person is focusing a lot on themselves right now. For Sagittarius, please. For Sagittarius. Alright, you get the card Separation. Sadness, missing you, thinking about you, yearning, unsure of the future. Separation. Let me see here. And then the Romance Angel cards. Whoops. So your person got the card Passion. Allow your heart and soul to sing with joy. Card Passion. And for Sagittarius, please. What's the card for my Saggy? For Sagittarius, please. August 2021. Whoa. I'm going to take the one that fell. It says, pay attention to the red flags. The signs are cautioning you. here. Alright, so for you, Sagittarius, I feel like you guys are going into separation or in a period of separation because of somebody being dishonest, your person being dishonest with you. That's why the cards are cautioning you, saying pay attention to those red flags. For your person, there's a need for them to release control. They might be really controlling, or they might be out of control, needing to gain some self-control. And they might be the type of person who is really self-indulged, just worrying about themselves or concerned about their own lives right now, not about the relationship. Alright, let me see. Here you are, Sagittarius, coming out in your person's energy. So there's a need for balance, for healing. Let me see what else your person gets. For Sagittarius person, please remember the roles can be reversed, you guys. We got the Magician, 2 major arcanas already. Very powerful, very, very powerful. What else? What else is there for the person Sagittarius loves? August 2021. Alright, we got the 4 of Cups in the reverse. That's the only one I'm going to take. Let's get some more. For the person Sagittarius is dealing with, please. August 2021. Oh, we have the 10 of Pentacles in the reverse. Okay, and at the bottom of the deck we have the 10 of Cups in reverse and the Ace of Swords. Knight of Wands in reverse. Okay. Let me see here. Alright, Sag. So, there we go. For your person, the bottom of the deck usually tells what's going on, what this story is about. So I'm seeing that your person was not or is not feeling emotionally satisfied right now within the relationship. It could have recently ended, or you guys are in separation. Both these 10s are here. This is about family. This is about your love life, your home, your foundation, and both of them are 10s. So I feel like you guys are in separation right now, or will be in the month of August. Your person was also emotionally unsatisfied. They wanted to... They might have cut ties with you or separated from you. And they also got the Knight of Wands in the reverse. This is really chaotic. This is being scattered all over the place. Being reckless, not being able to just be solid, right? 1, 2, 3, 4 cards are in the reverse, and you got 2 major arcanas, or they did. So there's a need for some kind of healing, some kind of balance, some kind of stability in their life. Okay, then we got the Magician. So they want to manifest something powerful. You know, the relationship, their career, whatever it is. For some reason, they were feeling neglected by you in the past. That could be why they ended the relationship, or it could be what ended the relationship was some kind of neglect. Somebody was feeling left out, feeling alone, trying to heal from that now, and trying to move forward with this. But because they felt left out, because they felt rejected, because they felt alone, that's what ended the relationship. For some of you guys were in a long-term relationship, very long-term relationship, or they could have been rejecting you and your offer in the past. That's instability as well. The 4 of Cups in the reverse. 4s are about stability and about home, so there was no stability. Could be why the universe is coming in here now with these major arcana. So this person is going through major life events that are not in their control. It's not in their hands anymore. Okay. Knight of Wands can sometimes be player energy, but Knight of Wands, Ace of Swords, 10 of Cups. Some kind of truth could have come out that somebody was messing around, fooling around out there, and that's also what could have caused this person to be very unhappy. Or it could have been the person that had come with some kind of truth about somebody who was messing around, maybe with third parties or something like that. Let me find out why the Knight of Wands is here. Why is the Knight of Wands here, please? Knight of Wands, please clarify. Knight of Wands. Okay, so we should be dealing with a Pisces. So we got the Hangman and the 8 of Cups. Somebody left because another person may have been running around. Let's see here. Yeah. It looks like, oh, yikes. Your person may have left and went back to a previous relationship they had. Or you may have went back to a previous relationship that you had with an ex. Excuse me. That could be why the 2 tens are here. 2 different times in their life, 2 different people, 2 different families. Let me see here. Anything else for Sagittarius' person, please? For Sagittarius person, yeah. It was a toxic connection, a toxic relationship. Somebody that they had ties to that was toxic. Or they could have stepped out, because this is also third party. Here's 3 here too. With the Lover's card being in the reverse. It's a toxic relationship that they went towards. Somebody that they're connected to emotionally. Somebody from the past, though, definitely with the Knight of Cups coming out. Knight of Cups, Knight of Wands. Yeah, that's what they did. They're worrying about the self. That's why the Passion card came out, because it could have been just a sexual relationship. But there's 2 different families, 2 different stories here. And they each were invested in a long time. You know what I see? One of them being about 10 months, the other one being about 10 years. The 2 different relationships with your person. Let's see what we get for you for the month of August, my loves. They left a toxic relationship and pursued another one. So they may have thought that the relationship with you was toxic and they went to pursue another one. Let me see here. For Sagittarius, please, with the Knight of Cups. Okay. So for some of you guys, your person was or is not all the way out of their relationship, and they're pursuing one with you, because we have the Knight of Cups here. After they stepped out from they left the toxic relationship, they went to go pursue somebody else, Knight of Cups, and you're coming out here as the Knight of Cups. Okay. Or that could be you trying to leave this toxic situation. Let's see here. We also got Knight of Cups, Knight of Pentacles, the Ace of Rods in the reverse. So you could be dealing with a Cancer, a Virgo, a Capricorn, a Gemini, Virgo, Gemini again, or another Sagittarius. Show me a card, please. One last card, please, for Sagittarius. The 6 of Swords. You're trying to move on from this. You're moving away from this. Bottom of the deck. Yeah, 10 of Cups in the reverse. You guys are almost, oh man, you guys are marrying each other. Both of you guys got the 10 of Cups. Both of you guys got the Knight of Cups. You guys might be in a twin flame relationship. 10 of Cups in the reverse is being unhappy emotionally, being unfulfilled. 10 of Swords, somebody got caught cheating. Somebody had another person. Somebody got busted with another person. I think that's what you're moving away from, right? Because this person is trying to left a toxic situation to go pursue perhaps you. This is your person over here trying to pursue you. You're telling them no, or you're avoiding them. For some of you guys, it's a same-sex relationship, but or one of you guys have more than one option. One of you guys have 2 options. We have the High Priestess and we have the 2 Knights here. What I'm seeing is that one person was about emotions, the other person was about foundation, their money, their pentacles, their the material side of the relationship, right? Another one is invested emotionally. Well, we got the Ace of Rods in reverse, which is a missed opportunity. That's a lack of attraction. That's losing like inspiration. It's been lost, so you're moving away from it. Why? Because there was happiness in the past, but it was lost somehow. With the 10 of Cups being in the reverse, you're emotionally unsatisfied, and caught your person perhaps with somebody else. Show me what the Seven of Swords is, please. Show me Seven of Swords, please, Spirit. Show me Seven of Swords. What's the Seven of Swords? Bam. So yeah, they had temptation. The Hermit, you might have caught them with a Virgo. Or they might have been dealing with a Virgo, because we got the Hermit here in the upright. Seven of Cups. And you know what? Who had that? Was that in the Virgo reading where I'm at? I think it was in the Libra reading. Some of you might be dealing with a Libra because they had these cards too. Unless Virgo gets around. I'm just kidding. But somebody got caught. Somebody definitely got caught. They were facing temptation. They were exploring. They're looking around. They're looking for something and they found it. But what they found was trouble. Okay, show me the High Priestess. Why the High Priestess is here? Yeah. That Devil card is temptation too. Yeah, somebody was juggling two people. We got the Two of Pentacles in the upright position. Show me High Priestess. Yeah. And it could be a Leo with the Strength card. So, let me see what's at the bottom of this. Yeah, somebody was lying here for sure. So, I feel like if you feel like your person's been lying to you or been dishonest with you, you got the card Honesty here. Or you may have issues with telling the truth. Sagittarius. That's why on this side, somebody told a lie. Somebody's lying. And maybe you could be your person. Let me see what you got. Yeah, you're walking away from this. Your person feels like it's a toxic situation. Could be why they're breaking off and on their own now. And having to learn about surrendering. Two endings here. And the Lover's card in the reverse. I feel like they cut you out of their life, my loves. I feel like they cut you out because they realized that they were in a toxic relationship if you were stepping out on the side. And that's what it looks like over here. It looks like you're the one that has two options. Remember, the roles can be reversed. This is not going to resonate with everybody. And if it doesn't, hopefully it doesn't, right? But check your other signs. Your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, and your Mars too. Let me see. What I'm going to do now is leave you with a positive affirmation. And because I have the time, I'm going to do a quick, you guys think of a yes or no question about the relationship or about whatever you want. And I'm going to pull my little coin out for you guys. Positive affirmation for Sagittarius, please, for the month of August. What's their affirmation? Oh, you guys got two. You got creative block and self-acceptance. Creative block says, if you're an artist of any kind, you can offer all work to the divine, making it God's alone. I offer this for the highest good to benefit the planet. Release me from any blocks and restrictions. May this serve all who need. And then self-acceptance says, nothing is more exhausting than endlessly working on yourself. When you offer your whole being fully to love, self-acceptance arises spontaneously. May I rest in your oneness, dear divine. Beautiful. So, I'm going to pull out my little cloth here, my little coin. So you guys, isn't this cool? Think of a question real quick, and we have time actually to do two. Think of two questions for my Sagittarius and my cross watchers. Alright, so for the first question, the answer is no. Okay? For Sagittarius and the cross watchers, the second question, the answer is no. So you guys got two no's, my loves. I hope you guys got the answers that you were searching for. And this is the love reading that I have for you for the month of August. I wish it was more positive, but this is what I'm getting. But this is where we say goodbye. So we part, but for not for long. Okay, I'll see you guys next month or in a couple weeks if I have some time to do some generals up here for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel if you guys will do me that favor. Love you guys. Good night.